Hey guys, stay tuned to find out how I achieved my hair in less than 10 minutes. Okay guys, so here is my units. 3 bundles of our 28-inch hazelnut milk and 1 matching 4x4 16-inch closure, which has been layered. All right. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it on. Okay, first step complete. Putting it on, done. Okay, so it's on. Okay, so we've brushed it out. I'm just going to top up the front sections of my hair, or any parts that are a little bit wavy, with my GHD Platinum Plus styler. Just give it a bit of a spruce up. I will be posting the video on how I achieve my favorite slip and go style. So stay tuned for that, because this is my slip and go wig. You guys are gonna be interested to see how quickly and easy and manageable and fun it is to have one of these. Okay, so we straightened it a little bit, especially the body of it. Okay, so as I've burnt all my hair, as you do, I use a lot of heat on my hair. A lot of heat. I go nuts, but never on my natural hair. So here we are, straightened, set, and now we're basically just going to put it in a very low ponytail, just below the nape of the neck. I just want to be very precise on top. Okay. So this is how I brush my hair back. I'm going to take a section of hair, it's that thick. I'm just going to wrap it. Keep it flat, just like this. I don't scrunch it up like this, I keep it flat. Now you want it high, but not too high, because you don't necessarily want the hair underneath your wig to start showing. So keep it relatively low, but still very tight. Of course, you can use a hair tie if you want to. I'm just gonna use a bobby pin, which you will need anyway. So here we go. Secure that bad boy underneath. So you can stop here if you want to. There are lots of places you can stop, but you know, I'm going to basically curl the bottom of my hair. This is straight hair, it's not trying to curl, it's not trying to do nothing. So it will always revert to going back to straight, but I add it because it gives it a bit of a wave, just a very gentle, cute wave that can last for probably the amount of time I'm gonna have this style. I'm going to be using my Nova curling iron. Okay guys, so this is my final look. As you can see, the curls have added a little bit more character to the hair and to show off the dye job that we've done, and I think it's just adorable. And of course, if you want, you can finger comb it, etc. You can part it in the middle and have it on either side. It depends on you, depends on what you like. This is cute too, actually. You can do whatever you like, honey. I love doing this style when I have something with a high neck, which is what I have on today. And yeah, that's basically it. It's quick, it's easy. It took me under 10 minutes to style this, if even. So when I say my style tips are quick, they really are. Throughout the day it will fall. You can finger comb it to make the curls a bit looser. You can twist it around your finger. It honestly depends on what you want, but yeah, here we go. All right guys, thanks for tuning in. I will see you in the next video. Lots of love. Namaste. Corona.